In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages, and in particular, if you're buying something and there's a coupon or you have a choice on whether to take a percentage off or a certain dollar amount off, I'm going to show you how to calculate that, and I'll show you all the tricks associated with it. So if we have a problem like this that says the original price of a couch was $125, which coupon is a better price? Is 25% off better, or is $25 off any purchase price over $100? So let's go through each one. I'm going to do the answer for the 25% off coupon first. So first thing to do is convert 25% to a decimal. So 25% in decimal form is 0.25. And remember, you move the decimal left 2 times, 1, 2, to make 25% a decimal. Now we multiply 0.25 and the cost of the couch to find the discount. Okay, that's how we find the discount. So 0.25 times 125 equals $31.25. So now we can subtract this discount amount from the price of the couch to find the new price. So we take $125, subtract $31.25, and we get $93.75. Now let's move on to the next coupon. So the answer for $25 off purchases over $100. So the couch is over $100, so we subtract $25 from the price. It's that simple. So 125 minus 25 equals $100. So we could see that this price is the lower price. The 25% off is the better price at $93.75. And that's it. Those are all the tricks you need to know how to do that. And don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You can just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine in the description that are similar to this. You could check those out as well. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.